What's good, YouTube? Back with another banger video. We just got some new tires installed. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, it feels so much better. Yeah, cause I was running out of tread, so you know I had to go get some new ones. So much better. Oh wow, so much more of a smoother ride. Wow, that's really smooth. That's fire. We going home, boys. So let me tell y'all the story, cause it actually tripped me out for a quick second. So the place I first went to, right? Do you know they talking about when we started working on your car, the compressor broke? How the compressor broke? And I'm like, yo, cause I got up really early. I got up, I think, at like 7 just to get it out the way. I like to get up and get out before anybody does. So yeah, they're gonna say, oh yeah, the compressor broke. We're gonna have to, what's it called? We can't do your car. So of course I call up my other dude who I'm cool with, and he was like, yeah, I'll bring you in. So but yeah, always have a backup. Always have a backup, plan B, plan C, plan D if you got to, because not every time will it be on point. So yeah, but we got it done. The ride is so much smoother. We got tread on there, and yeah, I think a big problem with mine was the previous tires I had on here were the Potenza. I think I said it wrong, but it's the sport ones from Bridgestone, and they're only like a 280 tread wear. And then I have race tires in the back. They're a little low, so I'm gonna have to get those. Probably about a month, give or take. So yeah, but yeah, y'all, I thought that was just interesting. I'm like, man, that's crazy. I started the day early and stuff, and they already telling me, look, we can't do your car, we messing up. I think I need to get a yeah, that's the next mod, y'all, for my car. I think is my exhaust tips. No, not my exhaust tips, my blow-off valve. I'm tripping. I was thinking about doing a bumper conversion with the QV, but then my specific model, I don't think it will allow it unless I go get a base model. How do I say, a base model bumper, and then I would have to take that bumper out once I get the base model part, and then put a new one. So I think it would just be too much, honestly. I don't know. I don't think I want to do that. Yeah, I think this idea that I'm thinking of is gonna be a lot better. I see a few ideas that I think I want to put all together at once. But yeah, but y'all see, as y'all see in my other video, how I did those exhaust tips and everything. So yeah, I think I like that way better than how it was previously with just the single outlet. I'm not really a big dual person. I'm more of a quad. So plus I always like that look. So yeah, but hey, I'm chilling right now. Oh yeah, y'all, I'm over here chilling. I need to get this car washed and everything. As y'all can see, it's a little bit dirty. So yeah, it's a chill day today. Not much going on. Beautiful outside today though. Yeah, I really, you know what I really want? I want to get my drag radios, I think, but I gotta look up and do some research on the type of fitment I could fit on here, because these are 19-inch rims all around. So I was doing some research that possibly I could probably put I think 18s all the way down to the smallest, I believe 17s. Yeah, 17-inch rims, and then I was gonna put drag radials on the back of those, and then I believe but yeah, I'm chilling right now. Ain't up to much. I said that already, bro. I'm vibing. When you got your free day, it's a blessed day. When you got your free day, you ain't got much to do. You can really just enjoy and relax and chill and vibe. It's cool. But I don't know what I'm gonna eat. That's the thing. It's like, should I go get Chipotle? Or should I go get... Chipotle sound fire right now. But I have been wanting to go to Hot Wing Cafe. I ain't been there in so long. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go to Hot Wing Cafe, make a trip down there. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna just call it a vid. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked everything. I hope you guys comment, subscribe, make sure you got all your post notifications is on. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. So stay tuned for that. Peace.